Helmut Newton, a German photographer who lived from 1920 to 2004, once said, "I'm an intellectual, I just take photos." This is true. Photography is an art form that anyone can really do. And hopefully with the information that I provide to you guys today, you'll better be able to understand the mechanisms of a film camera. There are 4 parts to a camera. There's the body, the lens, the film, and other additional items such as a case or a tripod. The first part that we're going to talk about is the body, which is the major functioning part. It holds the internal parts of the camera and protects them. It also contains the viewfinder, the shutter switch, the shutter control speed switch, the on-off switch, and other miscellaneous controls. And though my camera is fairly simple, which is a Canon T50, there are other ones that have manual controls so that you can take more artistic representations of a scene. And even though mine is an automatic, you're still able to take relatively artistic pictures with it, though it's a little bit more difficult to do. The second most important part of a camera, obviously, is the lens. Now, a lens doesn't consist of only 1 or 2 lenses. It's actually multiple lenses, and the light focuses through the lens and transposes it onto the film. There are 3 different types of lenses according to Jazz or Scrap Jazz. The first one is a normal lens, which is 50 millimeters. This is your standard lens. It doesn't magnify anything, and it doesn't shrink any of the images. This is for daily photography. The next one is a telephoto lens. This is for taking photos of things far away usually. And the last lens is a wide angle lens, which has a very short focal length, so it shrinks your images. Lastly is the film for the camera. Film is a length of image capturing material that's divided up into slides. And just as there are multiple types of lenses for a camera, there's also multiple types of film. And ISO, which according to ThinkQuest defines as International Standards of Organization, and this is the speed of the film. 100 speed film is good for taking pictures outdoors in good light. 200 is good for normal outdoor photos and brightly lit interiors. 400 is good for indoor interiors that aren't necessarily lit very well. And 1000 and 1600 is good for indoor photos when not using a flash. The final part of the camera is the optional equipment. One of them are detachable flashes, such as this one. This is an old Albener. It's nothing special, but if you go into your local photography store, they'll be able to match up your camera and also your flash, so you get the best possible combination to take the best possible pictures. There are also protective cases, such as this leather case here, which since film cameras are usually pretty expensive, it's a good investment to help protect your camera. Tripods are also another helpful addition. You can either use it to stabilize your camera, or you can also use it so you can use your self-timer mechanism. In conclusion, the main parts of the camera are the body and its various mechanisms, the lens, the film, and optional equipment. As Helmut Newton pointed out, it doesn't take an intellectual to take beautiful pictures, but understanding the parts of a camera definitely aids in the process. Thank you.